If your 8BitDo controller is not connecting, lagging, or acting weird, a factory reset might fix the problem. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Disconnect the controller first. Make sure the controller is powered off. If it's on, press and hold the power button until it shuts down. Step 2. Press the reset button now. Flip the controller over. Look for a small hole. That's the reset button. On screen, zoom in on the hole. Take a toothpick or SIM ejector tool and press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. Step 3. Wait and restart. Release the button and wait a few seconds. Now, turn on your controller again by pressing the power button. Step 4. Reconnect to your device. Go to your device. Whether it's a PC, Nintendo Switch, Android, or iPhone, and repair the controller via Bluetooth. It should now show up as a new device. If you are still facing issues, visit 8BitDo's official website and update the firmware using their firmware tool. Sometimes a simple update solves all connection problems. And that's it. You've successfully reset your 8BitDo controller. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips like this. On screen, like, subscribe.